Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today Jacob and I are going on a road trip, and yes, we match. It wasn't planned. I think that just means that we're in love, but literally I put on this shirt and he was like, oh my gosh, we match. So we decided to drive to Texas because it was a lot cheaper for us to drive and we could make a road trip out of it because Jacob really wanted to go to Austin. So we'll go to Houston for Veronica's wedding, which is why we're traveling. I didn't say that. So we'll go to Austin as well. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this vlog. I think I may just do the road trip.
GPS signal lost.
I may just do the road trip as one vlog, and then I may do like our Texas adventures as another vlog. I probably won't vlog a lot of Veronica's wedding because it's her wedding and she has a videographer and all that stuff. So I don't know, but I'm super excited to do this and bring you guys along. I absolutely have been loving vlogging lately, and it's memories. This is Jacob's first time in Texas, first time doing a lot of stuff like this, like a lot of the things that we're going to be doing. So it's memories that we can look back on, and it's Jacob's first time meeting Veronica and Brian. So I'm really excited for that, and I'm just excited for the trip. But if you've ever seen one, I don't know if I've ever filmed a road trip vlog now that I think about it. I got to have my heated blanket. If you guys do not have one of these heated blankets, you need it. Jacob is always so hot and always cranks the air conditioner up, and I'm always so cold, and you just plug this into the outlet, and then I can be warm, he can be cold, and we're good to go. We've got snacks and stuff like that in the back with all of our stuff. We're starting out this road trip with Jacob's check engine light being on, so that's great. Thankfully we didn't even leave the town we live in, so we're just gonna go to a place he knows because he actually used to work here. He works at AutoZone now, but we're going to O'Reilly's because he used to work at O'Reilly's, and we're gonna check to see what's going on. And now his friends are coming out here and I'm vlogging. Oh, they just gave him the thing, never mind. So I filmed the check engine clip that you just saw before we even left our town, and I filmed like the actual intro of this on the interstate once we had breakfast and stuff. But Jacob's check engine light's fine. He had to, what was wrong with it?
My fuel injectors were just needing to be cleaned.
So whatever that means, it was fixed with some sort of liquid. I'm not a car person, but we're good to go now. The check engine light is off and we are on our way. We are at our first stop, which is a gas station. Jacob's going into pee right. I took a little bit of a nap with my heated blanket. It gets me so warm and cozy, and I just fall right asleep, which I feel bad for leaving him hanging, but when I get warm and cozy, I just fall right to sleep. So we're gonna grab snacks from the back, get refreshments and drinks and stuff like that, and then be back on our way. This barbecue that Jacob wanted so bad.
I really did, but it was out of the way to like go get it.
It was like 50 miles out of the way. I tried explaining that in a clip earlier, but it didn't go.
Maybe on the way back or something.
So we're having good old Burger King.
It's really white.
That's what he said. That is what he said, because he's a he and he said it. I don't know if I was filming the whole time, so what do you feel about it? It's wide?
Yeah, it's really white.
And what else?
It's deep.
Wide and deep. Alright. We're talking about a river, right?
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Okay, alright. Okay. We made it to Little Rock, Arkansas. Jacob's gonna try to find a Love's to go pee in, because apparently Love's is where he wants to go pee at. So there's traffic all over there. You can't really see it, but we just got out of traffic because I think there was a wreck. So we took a little detour so that we could go to Love's real quick. But we're in Arkansas now, guys. We didn't stop at Love's. We had to stop at a Mapco because the Love's was through all that traffic and Jacob really had to pee. So look how pretty that is.
And we were all kind of just speechless.
Not the traffic, trees.
We were just kind of looking at each other.
The Dave and Buster's and the Harley Davidson.
Get our minds around what
we're getting back into the traffic now, boo. Jacob and I stopped at Sonic because I wanted some fried Oreos, and they had these new bites. They had two different ones. We got the bacon, macaroni and cheese, right? Mm-hmm. But they also had chili cheese bites.
Which we will try later.
But I wanted to get our first impressions of these suckers on camera. They look like a chicken nugget or a Dorito.
Yeah, they look like a fried Dorito.
But I'm excited. So let's try it.
Haha.
Yeah.
Alright, good though.
Very cheesy. I'm gonna dip mine in ranch.
I gotta gain a lot of weight eating these.
Same. Gotta dip mine in ranch. I think that's the way to go, but really good. So I rate it 7 out of 10 because it has like a weird first bite taste. Jacob, what's your choice? What's your bite?
I'd say 6 out of 10.
They have it.
Needs more bacon.
Weird starting taste and needs more bacon. But definitely worth a try. They're not that expensive. Like $3, I think. So
Pretty cheesy.
I think they're gonna be better in ranch. We're getting to the point of the road trip where we're both exhausted. We have about 2.5 more hours to go when Jacob's out stretching his legs. I have my legs up on the dashboard because they hurt really bad. Like it feels like I have a Charlie horse and I can't feel my legs. So that's weird. So I'm trying to stretch them out too, but I don't want to have to actually get out of the car because it's a whole situation because my chair's broke. But I'm exhausted. I just want to take a nap, but I don't want to leave Jacob hanging. So I'm trying to be a good partner, but we're almost there. We have 2.5 hours and I'm hoping we can just get through the last stretch. It's like 3 in the morning and we finally made it to Houston. There's a little bit of mix up with the hotels and we went to the wrong one because there's 2 Best Westerns within like a block of each other. I'm exaggerating, but basically a city block. So it's like 3 o'clock in the morning and we just got here, but this hotel is really freaking nice. Like I'm in the bathroom right now and it is massive. Like you could fit another freaking bed in here. It's so nice. I'll show you the other part, but I wanted to show you how nice this bathroom was and this whole hotel because honestly, like we didn't pay that much for it. So I wasn't expecting it to be anything like super great, but this is freaking bomb. How great the shower looks, and then here's the, man, there's me. This is like the entryway of the hotel. That's the bathroom. It has this little mirror place. And then you go over there to like where the beds and stuff are. Jacob's over there and he's not close, I don't think, because he's about to get in the shower. But super impressed with how nice this is for what we paid. I am ticked off though because I booked this for 3 nights, but then there was a mix up with the hotel. So I'm only staying here tonight and then I'm gonna move to another hotel tomorrow. So I'll show you that in another vlog, I guess. But they charged me for the whole 3 nights and I'm hoping that when the pending transaction falls out that they're only charging me for tonight because otherwise we're gonna be in some trouble with finances, but we'll figure it out. Whatever happens, happens. And right now I'm exhausted, as you guys can probably tell. So I'm gonna get in to go to bed. Jacob's gonna take a shower. I've been doing this a lot lately. And I will see you guys in my next vlog, which I'm not sure. I'm gonna split this up tomorrow. We're gonna explore, so that's probably what tomorrow's vlog will be. But I will see you then. Have a good day, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.